In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Aster DEX. Now first, you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So here, when you are on the official Aster DEX, you want to first, as I said, connect your wallet, and whenever you have your wallet connected and you have some funds on here, you can actually withdraw. The first thing you have to do is you want to go to the perpetual bit over here, and then you want to basically transfer, if you have anything on spot, over to perpetual. Okay, so anything you have on spot should be taken to perpetual, because on spot you actually can't withdraw. So if I go here, as you can see, I cannot withdraw. Now here on the perpetual page, you can then just go ahead up here, click on the withdraw button, and here you're going to be able to see all the options you have for your withdrawal. So here I have some USDT, which I'm going to select, and I'm going to do max over here. And as you can see, I can just select from which account, and the perpetual account is the only one. I'm going to do the Solana chain, and then you can just press on the withdrawal button over here, and basically the withdrawal is going to get initiated onto your wallet that's currently connected to Aster. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.